We've got another book reading tonight. Tonight's a special one though. All right, Caroline, tell them what you just discovered at the taco shop.
This red flower smells like chocolate.
It's bizarre, but it's true.
I can't stop. It smells good.
Okay guys, I don't know if you knew, but the taco shop is now owned by the Ryans. We know that they did a great job at Pronto Pup. They've done a fantastic job at Earl's. That taco is looking really good. This is so good. Oh, look at her. Look at her. She's trying to steal my taco. Yeah, my taco. All the good stuff on it. I didn't plan that very well. Look at all the classic toppings, including the red sauce. The shell is amazing. Guys, it's raining again. I don't know what it is. This is 2 trips in a row now that it's drizzling. Well, last time it was a straight up downpour. Now it's just drizzling. But we were headed to cool off on the splash pad anyway, so we're casually strolling the boardwalk and the Ghostbusters are here. I'm so excited. I gotta see them. Okay, you can tell that the ground is wet, right? So I don't know if it's my sandals because they are old, but like I am slipping. I'm kind of terrified. Oh my gosh, there it is, there it is. I love this so much. So this is something that I don't think that we actually talk about enough, and it's the splash pad and the water park in general. But did you know that you don't pay extra for that? Like, you come into the park. Once you're in the park, you can do everything. So, it's like I'm new to this. The splash pad is really, really good. There's always a lot of like adults and teens and stuff around. It's not just for like babies, which is good. Like Caroline is almost 7. She loves the splash pad. She doesn't want to do like the water slides, and the lazy river gets boring for her. So this is like a good fix for all of that. But it's free with your park entrance. There's my baby. Having fun in the splash pad. It is 93 degrees. The drizzle did stop on our walk down to the splash pad, but I told her it would be pretty silly to hide from the rain considering we were gonna come and get wet anyway. You'll notice around the splash pad there are a ton of chairs. There's always chairs out. You can grab a seat for yourself, sit down, read a book, have a drink. The beach bar is real close. And then if you wanted to go over to the, the sandy beach, it's right there. I feel like I called it. She was ready to move over to the sandy beach, and I'm not surprised. She likes to do her own thing, so here she gets to swim a little bit. Okay, I don't know exactly how these things work, but I swear I just came in just to my toesies, just to cool off a little bit because I didn't put my suit on. But I swear there is more sand in the bottom than there was last year. So I don't know if that's a thing. Like, park officials, did that happen? Did you guys like ship in some sand to make the bottom more comfortable? Because like, I remember it hurting and it doesn't hurt. It's quite lovely. I wonder what she found. You guys, the Ghostbusters. I can't do it. Do you see them? They're on the Schaefer Queen. I'm getting the biggest kick out of the Ghostbusters being here. That is so fun. Guess what? We changed our mind again. We're back at the splash pad. And we ran into some friends, and I know you guys watched, so hello. It's awesome to see you and get hugs. And I think it made Caroline's day. She was like, wait, what? Someone wants to meet me? It was awesome. Super, super awesome. So yeah, we're gonna be leaving here and heading to the Crow's Nest where IB Crow will be, and he's gonna be reading from his book, and I'm so excited. Right? So IB, I am so proud of you for writing your very first book, and I am so excited to read it with you. Like, makes my day. Okay, so the name of our book is IB Crow's Day at the Beach. Ivy Crow creation. There's more than corn in Indiana. That is what they say. Follow me, Ivy Crow, on a trip throughout my day. Here's Ivy going for a walk down the boardwalk. We just had the book reading. Okay guys, snack alert. There are new cookies available at the Crow's Nest. Jams cookies. You have peanut butter and jelly. This one is brown butter chocolate chunk. Salted caramel chocolate chip. And I think this is the one Caroline wants first, isn't it? Yeah. Funfetti birthday cake. So we're gonna dive in.
For summer, we could do a pineapple watermelon flavor.
Oh, are you telling the cookie lady what kind of cookies to make?
That would be good. Yeah. Because they're like the.
So we have taste tested the cookies. They are all really good. Caroline's favorite is between the Funfetti and
That one
and the peanut butter and jelly.
Which one was that?
So do you basically not have a favorite? You just like them all? Yup. I think so. The Funfetti is super good. It's very fluffy and light. So like even if you've got a kid that needs to like gum it, they can. The salted caramel is delicious. The caramel is a little bit chewy, so like I know my mom would be like, it's too chewy, but it's really good. And then this one is the brown butter chocolate. This is my favorite. It's like a simple twist on a chocolate chip cookie, and it's amazing. And then the peanut butter and jelly is really good because it's not just your basic peanut butter. It doesn't get boring. It's super, super fun. So come down to the Crow's Nest, try them, and then come back to the video and comment. Let me know what your favorite is. Caroline! What are we doing? Tilta. Always with the Tilta. Also, I just ran into Amy, and she said that she saw my donor brick, which means my brick is out there, which means I need to find it. I have yet to see it, so I'm super excited. Caroline's gonna hate it because we're gonna stand still some more. You guys, I had the pulled pork at Crow's Nest and it was delicious. And I am not hungry, but I'm going back to Earl's and I am getting breadsticks. Okay, so the last time, excuse me, the last time we were here, we noticed that they have fish food. So we ordered the fish food because we haven't fed the carp. We've been here, this is our 4th visit of the season so far, and we haven't fed the carp. And then, look at how cute that is. Thank you. They have palm trees for the ices. So it's $7 for the refillable palm tree. And then if you want refills, it's only $4. So that's from Peas Popcorn. All right, you want to watch him go crazy? Yay, the train. Go give him a high five. Okay, so, I was trying to zoom out. I'll just hold my arm out. I want to take a second real quick to talk about something that has been bugging me on Facebook. Everybody's all, oh, the rides were down and what did I even pay for and why am I even, it's my money, my money's hard earned. Girl, I know, like my money is hard earned too. And it can be frustrating when you come to the park and something isn't working or you just see the ride sitting there and you don't see an operator. But I want to give you an example of what happens, okay? So like right now, even Taco Bell by my house is shut down at like 4 o'clock because nobody is there to work. It sucks, but like that's the world we're in right now, okay? So like right now, we are in Kitty Land, Rocky's Toy Box, and Caroline's like, oh, I'm too old for most of these rides, but she still loves like Rock and Tug and Winky. So we came over. Winky's lights are on, which is more action than he's had all season that I've seen. and there's somebody operating the airplanes. So we very nicely came over by the exit, knowing that the ride operator would come that way. And one of the moms came over and said she's gonna go to the frog ride next. And I was like, cool. So I told her when she opened the gate, I said, I know you're going to the frog game. Do you have any intention of going to these other ones, Winky and Rock and Tug? And she was like, yeah. She's like, which one do you want to do? I'm like, Winky. She's like, yep, as soon as the frog ride is over, we'll head to Winky. It was that easy. Like, stop being negative just for the sake of being negative. Be a problem solver. Be a solution seeker. Like, they're doing the best they can, and they're all so nice, and they're all being so friendly. And like, all you have to do is ask. If a ride is not operational, there's a chance that something is broken. You don't want to go on a ride when it's broken. There's also a chance that they're just understaffed. That happens. It actually happens every season. Even without whatever happened that now nobody is working. But just be patient, take a breath, put on a smile, and ask.
Hold the baby. There you go. That's what I meant. You're welcome. You're just gonna take off.
I'm probably gonna get that employee's name. Not that, like, I want to seem like a crazy person, but she's so good. Like, somebody needs to know. We spend a lot of time complaining about people, but like, she's been really top notch. We have a very hot 6-year-old. Oh, look at that face. Look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. It's music express. Hey, question. How do you girls keep your hair down? I'm so proud of this chick. Oh, I'm not proud of my hair. It's her first time on the Sea Warrior. She's being brave. I'm super excited. Look at how gorgeous this place is. We always leave when it's still daylight, and I forget how beautiful it is at night. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, let's just talk one more time about how Earl saves the day. They're open for 10 more minutes. I got pizza, I got breadsticks, I got cinnamon bites, I got ice water, I got a bag. It's wonderful. Isn't it so pretty? It's just so pretty. You guys, the night has gotten away with me. We were supposed to leave at like 7. It is now just before 10 o'clock. And we're still here. We're closing the park. What in the world happened? I'll tell you what happened. It's our happy place. Today was a truly amazing, amazing day at the beach. We will be back on Tuesday. We are so excited. We're making it a besties trip. One of my best friends and Caroline's best friend, and they're like sisters. We're more like family. We're all coming, and it'll be their first time here. I think it'll be the girls' first time at all. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I'm home. I'm exhausted. My voice is gone. But on the ride home, I did not eat my cinnamon rolls. I think I'm gonna take a shower and then hop in bed with cinnamon rolls. I think that sounds wonderful. The cinnamon rolls are from Earl's, and I'll let you know what I think. I'm assuming they're gonna be good because like the tacos are amazing, Pronto Pups is amazing, the pizza's amazing. So I don't really see them going wrong when it comes to cinnamon rolls. I'm so tired. We didn't plan on staying that long. I have to work in the morning, but I hope you enjoyed this. If you were out there and you said hi, hi. If you were out there and you didn't say hi next time. I'll do the YouTube thing. Hit like, hit subscribe, Tell your friends. More coming next week. We'll be out there for sure on Tuesday for a besties trip. I don't know. I'm thinking I'll record, but I'm not sure exactly how much because I kind of just want to have fun with my friends. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon.